What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the MotorHead YouTube channel. If you watched the last video, you know that we got the 550 done and it's ready to go. So we are ready to start on another build. And I actually bought one about 3 weeks ago.
Right there?
No. It's actually this really clean IS250 right here. Come check it out.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This thing is so clean.
Where's the damage?
Right here, look. Right here, you see where the bumper doesn't fit? No, I'm kidding, guys. We actually have a really cool car that we did buy. It's over here, let me show you. So here is my 2016 BMW M3, my dream car. And I'll tell you why it's my dream car, because it's got the red interior. I've always wanted to have an M3 with red interior. I think anybody that likes BMWs wants an M3 with red interior, so it's not a bad choice, I think. I love the white. I love these wheels, but one unfortunately is broken. So if I'm going to go with these wheels, I will need one of these wheels. So if any of you out there has a wheel like this, let me know, please. Drop in the comment section below. I've got a few scratches right here. This carbon fiber is damaged. Had to be the guy at the Copart forklift. You know that guy? The guy that ruined Nate's Miata control arms? Yeah, same dude. Same guy still works there. Needs to get fired. Probably broke my tail light too. Busted my tail light. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Well, it does have some blown bags. I forgot to tell you guys that.
Man, look at that interior.
Yes, sir. So since we have all the parts, we are going to go ahead and let the guys help us roll it onto the rack and see if we can get the front end straightened up. You know what I'm saying? Like that, it's up there. Now comes the easy part. Alright guys, so we got the car strapped down to the rack, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the first preliminary pull. I call it a preliminary pull because it is the first pull that basically loosens everything up and gives us access to removing all the busted up parts. So let's give this thing a tug and see how it comes out. The headlight.
All the tabs are broken, aren't they?
Yeah, but it was jammed up in there.
Alright, we can just take the tabs off the other one. The mounted one.
Yeah, we
It's
could.
not mounted.
Hey, look, the inside is actually not busted up. Someone with some good experience painting these things could. I have another one just like it, but it's different color inside. So I'm probably going to. Okay, so I want to probably buy 2 shells with no HID ballast and then use this one because this one seems okay. All this looks good. Look, it got close to this stuff right here, but I think if I could find somebody maybe on eBay or carpart.com, I'm sure I can find it because these are adaptive and they're the HIDs. They're a little bit different. If you look right here, you see this. $1,000. $1,200 for the whole set, like with everything. So I'm hoping to get shells for $600 a piece, maybe. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what else falls off this thing. The clamp. The clamp. All right, should have welded that up before I did that, but that's okay. that's okay. We're not really trying to use that as a pull. I just wanted to get everything loose. So what we are going to do right now is go ahead and strip all the cooling components off of it, get all that out of the way. That way we can access the frame rails, because these frame rails, they're pretty bent. Look at that. It already came out a bit because I pulled it, but that's pretty bad. That's not good. That's broken. This rail end will most likely need to be replaced. One good thing about this damage is that it just bent the ends of the rails, you know? So it didn't bend anything back here, as far as I can tell. Like, I was looking at everything. I loosened the bolts on the subframe, nothing moved. So I think everything past this point back, I think everything is straight. If I have to straighten something out, square it up, it's not gonna be a problem. The point is that nothing is mangled back there. And there's no flexing, there's no cracks in the seam sealer, there's nothing back there that looks like it needs to be fixed, so it's most likely fine. But here, we need to get everything naked around these rails. So we're going to go ahead and start by stripping everything apart. The motor will have to come out also, because it's not only will it be easier to replace the frame rails, but I don't trust that motor. You guys seen what's going on with that motor. I may rebuild it later, you know, just have it on a engine stand, you know, in case I blow the other one.
So me and Yuri pretty much got the entire car pulled apart. We did put it on the frame. We wanted to kind of get the engine out on the frame, but it turns out it's gonna be a little bit too hard to get the engine off the frame, and it's just gonna be way too hard over there. So we decided to take it off the lift, or take it off the frame, put it on the lift. Now it's gonna be super easy to lift the car up, unbolt the transmission, the exhaust, and then we get this entire engine dropped out, and then we put this car back on the frame. Hold on.
All right, so we got the motor out and we want to check if the rails are kinked anywhere further up the line here. So I'm going to remove this heat shield.
Shield of heat.
Went the wrong way with it.
Yeah. You stripped it?
Yeah.
Just plastic.
It's not coming off.
Oh, it's not plastic. Holy moly.
Oh man, it's destroyed.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, honestly.
Put it back on the auction.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth fixing.
Nah, why not?
What do you mean? Like, if it was just this right here, then that's worth it. But that right there
What do you mean it's supposed to be like that?
is destroyed.
No, it's supposed to be like
Nah,
Completely destroyed, bro.
Oh, if anything, we'll cut the rail back. But it's really not that bad. The good thing is that it didn't get hit like this, because it would have crunched everything back there. It pretty much just side swayed everything over.
Yeah, it just bent the rails, the ends of the rails, and this the K-frame went back on really easily.
Yeah, no issues at all.
I wonder if the other one will go on here that easy.
I think it will. Aluminum usually cracks, if anything.
Yeah, you can't really bend these things
Dang,
that
look at
much.
those welds though.
Yeah, those are beautiful.
Oh yeah, I did those last night. Ha!
Hiding the cracks in it.
That's
That's
actually
right.
better than McLaren.
That's right. Had to weld up all the cracks so the viewers couldn't see them.
They'll see him.
But let us know in the comment section what you guys think. What do you think? Should we cut further? Should we do like a full frame rail repair, or should we just splice it where we think is going to be the best and easiest and most structurally good place?
Let's
So
check
let
out
us know in the comment section.
Let's check out the motor.
Oh yeah, let's go see what's going on with the motor.
Yeah, I think it's.
Oh, he just wanted everybody to see his S2000. Yeah, that's what it is. Check this thing out, guys.
You got it almost done.
Yes, sir. Big turbo. We'll have a video coming soon, taking it to the dyno. I was thinking we should use the F550 to haul it.
Yeah.
That would
We
look
can
sick.
borrow Bob's trailer.
That would
And-
look so nice.
Yeah, I think the colors would match. You know, red, black,
Red and black, yeah.
and kind of polished. You know, everything's polished here too.
Yeah, you can go see any of that more.
What about the McLaren though? Look at the McLaren. It's looking sexy too. Look at that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Almost done.
Oh, she's on the road.
It's not missing a mirror.
Yeah.
You don't need a mirror. It only needs a
don't
passenger
use it.
mirror, not a driver's side.
But anyways,
Race cars actually have only passenger mirrors. Either that or driver. They
yeah,
don't
he got
have
a
one.
neck. He got a neck.
Yeah, but this motor looks good. I mean, the only thing is right here, just a little bit broken off, which the motor does turn over just a little bit, so maybe you could probably just change out this cam right here and the motor would be good, because I'm pretty sure when it got in a wreck, it turned off right away. As soon as this bag's blue, the motor shuts off. And really the only other thing is right here on the turbo, the little actuator is broken off, which is a pretty easy repair. It's just 3 bolts.
Yeah, if anyone's interested in buying this, DM Yuri on Instagram.
Yeah, hit me up. I'll give you a heck of a good deal. I promise.
I'll put the Instagram down below.
Yeah.
It is going to be just the block because our new motor does not have any of the wiring or any of this, so.
Yeah. You're gonna have a bare block. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed the content, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And also check us out on Instagram at motorhead.co. And I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.